Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve a problem which is already came in RRB or RPF SI 2019. I have taken these questions from there, right? So today I'm going to solve these questions, and this is a very common questions in most all competitive exam. This question is common, this type of question is common. So it's look like very difficult, but if we do it in a systematic manner, then it will be very easy. So if the pattern is like that, so if the expression is given to you in that form, then always you have to start from there, this side. Always start calculating from this side. I'll start from here. As you know that square root of 441, that will give you 21, right? Now, if 820 plus 21, it will give you the square root of 841, right? 820 plus sign is there, plus 21, so it will give you 841, and the square root of 841 it's give you 29. Am I not mistaken? Right? Yes, the square root of 841 always give you 21. Now 629 minus 29, so it will give you the square root of 1600, because 1629 minus, after calculations this x up to this much, you will get 29. So 1629 minus 29, you will get 1600. And as all of you know that the square root of 1600 will give you 40. Now up to this much we got this minus 40 and the square root. So 1336 minus 40, that will give you 1296. 1336 minus 40, that will give you 1296. And as we know that the square root of 1296 will give you 36. So the answer is 36 is the answer. So basically this is coming in objective type, MCQ type, so you have to choose the correct answer. So correct answer is 36. Am I clear to everyone? So I hope I can make it clear. Thank you.